Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord notifications not working on your PC. This is a quick and easy guide, so let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC and head to the bottom left corner of the app. Click on the gear icon to open User Settings. Next, look for the Notifications tab in the left-hand menu and click on it. In this section, you'll see various notification settings. Now make sure that the Enable Desktop Notification option is toggled on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on to refresh the setting. Scroll down to check additional notification options like sounds and ensure they're enabled for the alerts you want. Finally, ensure your system notifications are also working. On your PC, open Settings, go to System, and then open Notifications. And ensure notifications for Discord are turned on. Once everything is configured, restart Discord to apply the changes. And that's it! Your Discord notifications should be now working properly. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!